Welcome to our channel. Are you planning to ship your car from the USA to Rotterdam, Netherlands? But how do you make the process of shipping your car overseas stress-free? Stay tuned, because today we'll cover everything you need to know about shipping your car to Rotterdam and making sure it gets there safely and efficiently. When shipping a car overseas, the first big decision is choosing the right shipping method. Two popular options are roll-on/roll-off, RoRo, and container shipping. RoRo shipping is cost-effective and fast. Your car is simply driven onto the ship and off again in Rotterdam. It's great for standard vehicles, but keep in mind, you won't be able to ship personal belongings with your car. Container shipping, on the other hand, offers more protection for your vehicle and allows you to ship household items as well. It's a bit more expensive, but it's perfect for those who want extra security or need to send other belongings alongside their car. Now, let's talk about cost and shipping times. Here's a quick look at some estimated costs and timeframes when shipping a car from the USA to Rotterdam. For example, shipping a car from New York to Rotterdam costs around $2,175 with an estimated transit time of 21 days. Shipping from Los Angeles to Rotterdam is about $3,150, taking approximately 28 days. Remember, these prices and times can vary depending on the season, vehicle type, and port availability. So, there you have it. Shipping your car to Rotterdam doesn't have to be stressful. By choosing the right shipping method, understanding the costs and regulations, and partnering with a trusted auto transport company, you can ensure your car arrives in perfect condition and ready for the open road. If you're ready to ship your car to Rotterdam or want to learn more, contact A1 Auto Transport today for a free quote. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tips on international car shipping.